Welcome back.
Yo, well slap my nipples and call me Shirley. Disclose Screen's back, baby.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Pow! Even Mrs. Kensington's happy. She's playing me in a spy car. What a legend. So have you missed us? I certainly have. I'm not going to pour out my life story again, but long story short, it's been a savage 2.5 years for me and I'm still recovering. But I'm finally in the right environment and mind state to continue making videos. Yeah, I know I said this a few months back, blah blah blah. I thought I was ready, I wanted to be ready, but I just wasn't. I'm ready now, Scouts honour, so let's get to it. I've got 2 UFO sightings and a strange object supposedly floating around in a neighbourhood in LA, looking into windows and generally being a bit of a creep. But this first video was uploaded to Reddit a few months back. The video captured a metallic spherical object completely stationary observing a black military helicopter. Or was it the other way around? The eyewitness states, I'll just break it down quickly. On September 12, 2024 around 4 PM Tacoma, Washington, he was putting up shelves with his girlfriend when he heard a helicopter circling the area multiple times, so he went outside to film it. When he watched the video back, he sees what looks like a chrome reflective sphere suspended in the sky right above the blades of the helicopter. See, a nice quick description. Imagine rambling on when all you want to do is see the video. Typical. So, my illness, it all started when, only joking, roll the video, Reefar, spin that ish.
Dude, the black helicopters keep flying over here too. Did they fly over our house last time? Look, now it's just hanging out.
So a black helicopter in the same area as this metallic stationary orb. That's not a coincidence, the two are connected. Black helicopters are known to be used by the US Army primarily in stealthy operations like extractions and classified top secret need to know basis surveillance missions like UAP interception, in my opinion. But this could be military technology and a helicopter is there to cover anything up in case of a failure, like it crashing to the ground. I mean, I don't think any of us really understand how advanced human technology has become, and are we really capable of such things? The amount of energy it takes to keep that helicopter in the air is astounding, and next to it you have this little metallic sphere just sitting there seemingly defying gravity. A perfect example of my ET drone theory, which I've spoken about numerous times on the channel, but I'll give you a quick recap. These alien surveillance drones, which are like our own, they don't need a pilot, and these are dotted all around the planet observing us. Planet Earth is like the Truman Show. These drones maintain an altitude that's not too low to the ground to interfere with everyday life, and they are not too high up in the air to interfere with any air traffic. They are in the Goldilocks zone. They are invisible to the naked eye using light bending technology or some type of advanced cloaking system, and they are impervious to radar detection, obviously. But every so often, these things become visible and have been filmed many times in different shapes and sizes, and I've presented some of those videos on the channel in the past. There was one that looked like an alien metallic skull over a field in the UK. I don't have that clip anymore, but some of you may remember which video I'm on about. There were ones that looked like giant eyeballs, cube shapes, and sometimes just random shapes that don't look aerodynamic at all. There's been reports of metallic spheres crashing to the ground in certain places of the world that get covered up as satellites or space junk. No matter how advanced your technology is, you cannot power craft on thin air. So these things are going to need refueling or recharging, and I've pointed out before, These drones don't look as if they are built for fast maneuvers or quick getaways or even interstellar space travel. The closest galaxy to the Milky Way is the Andromeda Galaxy, located 2.5 million light years away, so it's unfeasible to think that these things are travelling back and forth, assuming that they are coming from the Andromeda Galaxy, and it would be the same principle as sending the information back and forth. It would take the information 2.5 million years to reach its destination, according to known physics. So there would have to be a command station or a mothership close by to receive this information and to refuel or recharge these drones, perhaps somewhere in our very own solar system, stationed on the far side of the moon, or hidden in the rings of Saturn, or orbiting the outskirts of our solar system itself. It's just one of my theories that I've built up over the years that I stand by strongly. If we are being observed by a highly intelligent interstellar race, the gods, this is the way it would be done. So, on to the next video. I don't even know where to start with this one. Never seen anything like it. This was filmed over Perth, Western Australia on May 15th. It's an interesting capture and I don't really know what to think of this one, but some people seem to believe it's somebody messing about with a laser and the trail that it's leaving is just a camera artifact. Let's have another look. So this last one is also a bit of a weird one. I don't know what to make of this one either, but viewing the comments on other uploads of this, people are really intrigued. They seem to think that this is some kind of alien probe brazenly floating around the neighborhood in LA. So let's take a look. This was filmed in May in California.
What the f is that? Am I losing my goddamn mind? What the f is that? What the? Where did it go? Okay. No biggie.
I'm on the fence with this one. Does it look strange? Yes, but videos can be deceiving. It does look like something out of the Twilight Zone, but it's so close to the ground, so close to the cameraman, he could have literally walked over and touched it, but if it was real, would you really get any closer to it? I think the cameraman could be in on it. I'm just trying to point out all the facts before I shout, it's aliens! It's more likely to be a drone in a lightweight shell or a skin, customised and placed over the drone. But the eyewitness claims it was completely silent, and I'm ruling out a balloon because it seems to maintain an intelligent course. It even descends at one point before continuing its path, so I'll just leave this one in your hands too.
What the? Where did it go? Okay. No biggie.
So then guys, it feels good to get back to work and I was really buzzing to get started on this video. I have kept this one reasonably short. I didn't want to be too ambitious. It's been a while since I've uploaded and I'm feeling a bit rusty, but I don't plan on quitting. I'm going to knock out these videos just like the good old days. Can you feel me?
Yeah, boy.
Disclose screen feels so good.
Make you want to slap your mama, don't it, Willie? Hey, mama.
What the hell you want with?
So stay tuned and keep your peepers peeled for the next upload and I will catch you soon. Legends.